Hi, Birdie. What are you eating?
Beans.
She's eating beans.
Moose jaw.
Eat some beans, Birdie. Eat some beans. Show us your pincer grasp.
Like this. Ding, ding, ding.
Show me again, Lydia. How do you do it? There we go. Put one of those beans in your mouth. There it goes. Good job. Is that good?
Well, this will be a little bit cheaper. Moose jaw. $6.
Yummy.
Yum.